In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Notion. If you track budgets, invoices, or any kind of money inside a Notion database, setting the right currency keeps everything clear and consistent. The good news is, Notion lets you format any number property to display as a currency with the correct symbol and separators, and it only takes a moment. Start by opening the database where your amounts live and identify the column that holds those values. This needs to be a number property for currency formatting to be available. If it isn't, you can change the property type to number first. Before switching types, double check that your existing values don't contain extra symbols or text, because those may not convert cleanly. If you're unsure, consider duplicating the column as a quick backup. Now, click the header of that amounts column to open its property menu. When you hover over the header, you'll see options appear. Choose Edit Property to open the detailed settings for this column. This panel is where you control how the numbers look and behave. Inside the settings, find the Number Format section. Click it to open the formatting options. Here, you'll see various ways to display numbers, including percentages, plain numbers, and currencies. Select Currency to reveal the list of available currency styles. Notion includes a wide range, from common choices like dollars and euros to many regional formats, each with its own symbol placement and decimal style. Scroll through the list and pick the currency you want. As soon as you make your choice, Notion applies the formatting instantly to every value in that property. You'll notice the correct symbol and separators update across the entire column. This change is purely visual formatting. It does not convert amounts based on exchange rates. If you typed 100 before, it stays 100. Only the way it's displayed changes. While you're here, you can also adjust decimal places to match how you prefer to display cents or minor units. Keeping decimals consistent helps totals, roll-ups, and summaries look clean and professional. When you're done, simply close the property panel. There's no separate save button. Notion saves these changes automatically. Take a quick look through your database to confirm everything appears as expected. If you use templates or duplicate this database later, the currency formatting you set will carry over for this property. That's it. With just a few clicks, opening number properties, choosing Edit Property, selecting number format, and picking your currency, you've standardized your financial data in Notion and made it easier to read, share, and trust.